Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you all to two very important Korean pronouns, uri and chohi. So without wasting any time, let's start. Now as I said, uri and chohi, they are both Korean pronouns, and in simple words, a pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Okay, now both of these pronouns, they have the same meaning. They translate to we, us and our in English. Okay, whenever they are used together with different Korean particles. Whenever these pronouns, they are paired up with different Korean particles, then they translate to either of these three words. Okay, तो meaning दोनों का same है, बट डिफरेंस कहाँ लाई करता है, क्योंकि दो वर्ड्स हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं तो दोनों में डिफरेंस होगा. सो द डिस्टिंक्शन, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम लाइज इन देयर फॉर्मेलिटी, दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ स्पीच. uri is used during informal situations and chohi is used during formal situations. As we know that there is different level of speech in Korean language that are called the honorific levels. So accordingly, uri is used in the informal situations and chohi during formal situations. Okay, this is the only difference. Otherwise, दोनों का meaning same है. Okay, now we are going to talk separately about these three words, we, us and our, and learn how to translate them in Korean. And then we are also going to see some example sentences to understand how to use these two pronouns in day-to-day life in Korean language. Okay, now first let's start with we. So how you're going to say we in Korean? Here is the concept. When the topic marker or the subject marker, we know there are topic, subject and object, three types of markers in Korean. So whenever the topic or the subject marker, they are attached to uri or chohi, it translates to we. Okay, in English also you will notice that we is always used as the topic or subject of the sentence. Okay, English language में भी यही होता है. तो क्योंकि जब हम ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो कोरियन में भी we is used as the topic or the subject in the sentence. तो इसलिए उरी और छोही इनके साथ क्या अटैच हो जाएगा, या तो टॉपिक मार्कर या सब्जेक्ट मार्कर अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. और क्या ट्रांसलेशन होगा फिर? we. Now you can see whenever we is the topic in the sentence and you are having a formal conversation, so you are going to say 저희는, the topic marker is used. Fine. And in informal case, 우리는. Similarly, when we is the subject of the sentence, then in formal situation we use 저희가 and in informal 우리가 to denote the word we in Korean. This is very simple. Okay, you just need to attach the proper Korean particle with uri or chohi and it translates to either we, us or our. Okay, now let's see some example sentences to understand how to use we in Korean. Okay, the first example says we like pizza. So in Korean it will be 우리는 피자를 좋아해요. We का translation क्या हो गया? 우리. Okay, it is very simple. Next example is we have a cat. 저희가 고양이가 있어요. Here also you can notice that I have used 저희 for we in Korean. Okay, and the rest of the sentence is framed according to the grammatical concept that we have learned so far. Next example is we go to school together. 우리는 같이 학교에 가요. Here also we is being used, so we are going to use either the topic or the subject marker. I have used the topic marker over here, and so we is translated as 우리는, and 같이 means together. Okay, and 에 is used as a Korean location or time particle. So 우리는 같이 학교에 가요. Okay, now let's see how to say us in Korean. So, when the object marker is attached to 우리 or 저희, it translates to us. Very simple. So, whenever you're having a formal conversation and you have to say us in Korean, you're going to say 저희를. And in case of informal, it will be 우리를. Okay, this is very easy. How to say us in Korean. 저희를, 우리를. Okay, now let's see examples to understand the use of us. First one is Aunt visited us today. In Korean, it will be 이모가 오늘 우리를 방문했어요. So you can notice that I have translated us as 우리를 in Korean. I have attached the object marker to 우리 and it is translated as us. So, aunt is 이모, today is 오늘, us is 우리, and to visit is 방문하다. So, in past tense, it will be 방문했어요. Okay? Next example is the principal likes us. 교장 선생님은 저희를 좋아해요. So, here I have used the pronoun 저희 and attached the object marker with it. So it is translated as us. Principal is 교장 선생님 in Korean. Okay? Now let's move ahead and talk about the last word. That is are. In Korean, if you want to say are, you have to attach the possessive particle 의 to 우리 or 저희. And it translates to are. So, in case of formal situation, are is 저희의 and in case of informal, 우리의. Okay, so अगर आपको कोरियन लैंग्वेज में are बोलना है तो कैसे बोलेंगे? उरी या 저희. इससे क्या अटैच करना है? कोरियन पोजेसिव पार्टिकल दैट इज 의. और जब आप इन्हें मर्ज करोगे, अटैच करोगे तो क्या ट्रांसलेशन हो जाएगा? are. Okay? Now, let's see some examples to understand this more clearly. Our school is big. 우리의 학교는 커요. Here you can notice I have translated our as 우리의. I have attached the possessive particle 의 to 우리 and it translates to our. Fine. Next example is our mom is smart. 저희의 엄마는 똑똑해요. Here, I have translated our as 저희의 by attaching 의 to the Korean pronoun 저희. Okay, so this is how you use are in Korean sentences. Okay, so in this video, we learned about two Korean pronouns, 우리 and 저희, which translate to we, us and our in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.